Hi, I'm Paul Holmes, and this is the 2014 model of the 747 Jetmobile.
You know, well, I'm a chicken fried and cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio.
I created the 747 Jetmobile for the good of mankind. Built in Spruce Creek Fly-In in Daytona Beach, Florida, its primary mission is to encourage and promote charitable thought and ideals in kids 2 to 102. A corporate jet entry leads to a pair of first-class seats and an actual 747 spiral staircase leads up to the upper deck where an airshow performer can stand, and the cockpit where I pilot the Jetmobile from.
I thank God for my life, for the stars and stripes. May freedom forever fly. Let it ring. Salute the ones who died, the ones that give their lives so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love, like our chicken fried.